Hello everyone! Naka-experience po ba kayo na hindi kayo makapag-log in sa Facebook niyo and you thought na na-hack kayo? Pero hindi naman kasi wala namang gumagamit ng Facebook account niyo. And you also know your password and your email address. But the thing is, when you log in, you cannot log in. So you wonder why, right? So now I'm going to tell you on how to fix it. Kasi na-experience ko din yan. So ngayon, punta lang kayo sa phone settings nyo guys at hanapin nyo ang storage. Tapos i-click nyo yung storage, lalabas yung kung ano yung mga options doon at hanapin nyo yung apps. Tapos i-click nyo yung apps at hanapin nyo yung Facebook. Now, pag mahanap nyo na yung Facebook, i-delete nyo. Tapos i-delete nyo yung manage data. Yun lang po.